Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to introduce you to my friend Ron. Ron was a retired fire inspector, worked for the city of St. Louis for many years, but that's not really how I got to know Ron. Ron is a member of the handball club that I belong to. And that's how I got to know him and become a friend of his. Ron was always there to encourage and to teach guys how to play handball better. He always showed up at the tournaments, even when he couldn't play anymore. And there's one story about Ron in particular that I want to share with you. About 5 years ago, during a match, one of the guys on the court actually had a heart attack. Ron, who was upstairs at the time, immediately raced downstairs, ran as fast as he could, and administered CPR to this other player, and in effect, saved his life. Well, Ron passed away on Monday, and I and all of us in our handball club miss him because he was such a kind and gracious man. But what I want to impart even more than that today is, and this is what I'm thankful for during this Thanksgiving week, I'm thankful to Ron for his readiness to always pitch in, to always help out. When crunch time came, Ron was there, helping out, doing what needed to be done. And there's a lesson in that for all of us, I think, that during this time of COVID, it's easy to pull back and withdraw and not become involved. And in some ways, we shouldn't. But at the same time, we should be ready to step up, be ready to do our part, whatever that might be, to make a phone call, to buy groceries for a neighbor, little things like that. We don't have to save another person's life like Ron did, but there are things that we can do. And so I'm grateful today for Ron, for the example that he set for me to always be ready to help out when help is needed. Thank you for watching today.